Did you know that over 80% of people who try intermittent fasting report significant weight loss? That's right, this method has been a game changer for so many, and today we're going to break it down for you. Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving into intermittent fasting, a super popular and effective strategy for weight loss that's taking the health community by storm. If you've been struggling with losing weight or just want to learn more about this method, you're in the right place. So let's talk about the challenges many of us face when trying to shed those extra pounds. Traditional diets can be a complete drag, right? You starve yourself, count every calorie, and it feels like you're getting nowhere. Plus, there's so much conflicting information out there. One day, carbs are bad, and the next, they're superfoods. It can be overwhelming. This frustration often leads to giving up altogether, which is why finding a straightforward and effective approach is so important. Now, let's unpack intermittent fasting. At its core, it's not about what you eat, it's about when you eat. There are several methods, like the 16-8 method, where you fast for 16 hours and eat during an 8-hour window, or the 5-2 method, where you eat normally for 5 days and restrict calories on 2 non-consecutive days. The idea is that by limiting your eating window, you naturally consume fewer calories, which can lead to weight loss. Plus, fasting can help your body switch from burning sugar to burning fat for fuel, which is super effective. But let's be real, it's not all rainbows and butterflies. Some people may struggle with hunger or fatigue at first, but many find that it gets easier with time. Here's a cool success story to make this relatable. Meet Sarah, a 35-year-old mom who was just tired of the endless cycle of diets. She decided to try intermittent fasting, and within a few weeks, she noticed a difference. Not just in her weight, but in her energy levels too. Sarah shared that the biggest breakthrough for her was realizing she didn't have to eat every couple of hours. Instead, she felt more in control, and the pounds started to drop. Her story is proof that intermittent fasting can be a simple yet powerful tool in your weight loss journey. So, to sum it up, intermittent fasting is a fantastic option for weight loss that's simple and effective. We discussed its basics, the various methods, and how it can help you achieve your goals, all while freeing you from the chaos of traditional dieting. It's all about finding what works for you and making it part of your lifestyle. I want to hear from you. Have you tried intermittent fasting? What was your experience like? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and check out my other videos for more health tips. Let's keep this journey going together.